Welcome to Blender. This is what the interface looks like as soon as you open the software. You will see a large window that displays the version number. At the time of recording this, we are working with version 3.4.1, but you are probably using a more advanced version in the future. There are more options available in this window, which we will explore in a moment using the various menus. Clicking anywhere outside the window will close it. The menu at the top here stays the same regardless of which editor windows are active. File. Here is the menu for creating new projects with easy templates to get started. The next one is Open. Open an existing file. If we click on it, a file explorer will open and show us the files we have. Save your project. Save as, save your project with a new name. Import files in other formats. Export your project in different formats for use in other softwares. Last one is the Quit, if we want to close the software. Next is the Edit menu. Undo and redo. Undo or redo your last action. Undo history. View your history of actions. Menu search. Search for features in the software by name. The search function can even understand you with spelling mistakes. I have misspelled undo, but I still got the right operation. Preferences. View the software settings, including the interface and the hardware Blender is using. The next menu is the Render. Here, we can render a photo or a movie and view previously rendered work. On the right, Window. Here, you can manage your window layout. And the last one is Help. I hope after this course, you won't need it. The four most important editing windows in Blender are the 3D viewport, the main navigation window for working in the three-dimensional space. This window on the top right corner is the Outliner, a tool for seeing your project components and managing it efficiently. This window on the bottom right is the Properties panel. It shows and allows editing of various attributes of your scene and the objects within it. At the bottom is the Timeline, a tool for controlling animation and time. Each editing window can be replaced with another type of window using the menu that appears when you click the icon in the upper left corner. For example, I can have two windows of 3D viewport, 1 and 2. You can also change the size of any window by clicking and dragging from the area between windows. See how my cursor changes into a double-sided arrow icon? Now you can change the size by clicking and dragging. You can divide each window into two by right-clicking on the area between them and selecting a new option from the menu that appears. You can choose to split the window vertically or horizontally, and you can switch between them using the middle mouse button. Left-click to split the window. You can also join the two windows back together using the same menu. Above the editing windows, you will find a list of ready-made workspaces with predefined layouts and editing windows, which you can customize or delete. In the upcoming windows, we will explore each of the editing windows in more details. We can create a new one by clicking the plus icon. We will start with one of the predefined layouts. We will give it a new name and reorder its position to be the first on the list, and delete the one that we messed up. Now that you know the basics of Blender's interface, let's jump straight into the next video and get started on some real work.